Good afternoon, everyone. It's Friday, and right now I am Bad Säckingen and standing in front of the cathedral, the Münster. This is a square, and there are there's 5, 6 different restaurants: Italian, Greek, and American, German, and so all kinds of international food you can try. And also during the day you can come for coffee because they also have a very nice cake, like apple pie. Yeah, it's a very busy Friday everywhere. I was in Baden for lunch and meeting my old colleague, and I just came here to check up my bike that is broken. So apparently it will take time. I thought it will be ready by today or tomorrow, but I have to wait until next week. Yeah, and until then, I need to use my mountain bike. It's a bit difficult to bike on the road because it goes very slow, but it will help me to strengthen my legs. But apparently my mountain bike is not in a good condition either, so I will also need to do some maintenance for my mountain bike as well. Sunny, blue sky, and it's a Friday, and now we are heading to weekend. And with that, I wish you a wonderful Friday and happy weekend. Bye for now.